What is GlobalReader? We provide smart online manufacturing tools for small and medium-sized enterprises. Using real-time data and team collaboration tools, you can reduce downtime 30% in the first 3 months and save time and money. Smart Factory Management. We will help you solve your daily, time-consuming, routine activities. Your team in manufacturing can benefit from our machine monitoring. The power of real-time data is brought to planning and maintenance. Production Planner. An easy and comprehensive tool to schedule your production orders on workplaces. From any smart device, you can create, change, and monitor your production plan, which your machine operators must follow. Production Planner benefits means plan versus reality, which means better work scheduling. GlobalReader, a real-time factory tracker.